All right, so hello everyone. It's Julia from the tech team, and I'm here to go through quickly how you can submit your project to Devpost for this Hack PSU 2020 here. So quickly, if this doesn't help you, you can feel free to come to the info desk channel on our Discord and ask for help. And you can also come to the live workshop that'll be going on Sunday at noon. And something that I'll be mentioning frequently throughout the rest of this presentation is that submissions are due at 5 p.m. on Sunday. This is a super critical time. If you miss this, you will probably won't be able to be judged for your project. And we really want to see all of the awesome things that you guys are creating throughout the weekend. So make sure that everything is finalized in Devpost by 5 p.m. on Sunday. So quickly, some things to note before we dive in here. You don't have to have a completed project to submit something onto Devpost right now. We'll go through kind of how to edit your submission with completed code, with pictures, with demos, anything else after you do the submission. So it's highly recommended to kind of do this right now whenever you're watching this, preferably before like 4:30 on Sunday. But if you're watching it then you're still good to go. So with that being said, you have to, again, submit a completed project by 5 p.m. on Sunday. Do not miss this deadline. We really are strongly committed to 5 p.m. on Sunday. This next point is a new thing for Devpost compared to the past when HackPSU was in person. In order to judge your projects, we're going to be requiring a 2-minute demo video of your project. That'll be uploaded to your Devpost submission. This 2-minute video can be like a demo of what your code is doing. You can kind of walk through your code. You can explain kind of maybe any struggles that your team went through. You can kind of imagine that you're kind of at a judging table for a hackathon and you're speaking right to a judge. That's kind of what you're going to put in this 2-minute demo video for us to watch. You're going to be judged solely through Devpost, so really make sure your submission is thorough. Make sure that you fill out kind of your submission story, have all of your code, any videos, any images, everything is up there for us to see so that we can actually judge everything that you've completed with your project. There's a link here on this bullet point where you can go to kind of get some tips and tricks on how to kind of set this up the right way. This slides here link for these will be in the description of this video as well. So you'll have access to all the links here, no need to write them down or anything. And finally, only one member of your team, if you're on a team, needs to submit your project. You can add team members at any point to your project while you're doing this. With that being said, all group members need to be registered on hackpsu.org. Registering on hackpsu.org is not the same as registering on Devpost, and vice versa. They are two completely separate things. So to begin, first you'll want to go to devpost.com and you'll want to create an account or log in. So you can see kind of here that login, sign up buttons are there in the corner of the website. So once you click those, you can create an account with LinkedIn, GitHub, Facebook. If none of those kind of fit your needs, you can hit the sign up with email button that's circled at the bottom. And if you click that, you'll have to fill out this form to create your profile. Still super intuitive so far. Once that's done, everything is submitted. You'll get a confirmation email, and you'll want to fill out the link that they send for the form. Next, once all of your account is squared away, you'll want to go back to devpost.com. You'll want to sign in if you're not already automatically signed in, and you'll see this Hackathons tab at the top of the screen where that red arrow is pointing. You'll want to click that, and then you'll see this kind of area where you can search. You'll want to search for HackPSU, and you'll want to find HackPSU Fall 2020. You'll see for the rest of the pictures in this presentation that it's Fall 2019. That's because at the time of this recording, HackPSU Fall 2020 Devpost was not live. So everything during the weekend will be set up and available for you to see. And so make sure that the dates are correct here and make sure that the title of the hackathon is correct. So you're looking for HackPSU Fall 2020. Once you do that, you'll click on that hackathon and you'll kind of see this screen where you can register. You'll see our banner with our cool space theme. You'll see different participants, a home screen kind of giving you an overview of our hackathon, and you'll see where this red arrow is pointing, this green register for this hackathon button. You'll want to click that, and after you do so, you'll have a quick form that'll ask you some questions. You'll fill those out, and you can hit this green register button. Once you do that, you'll see this nice banner. It'll say, "Thanks for registering" in green. And you'll be able to see yourself on the participation screen. If you have any issues leading up to this so far, feel free to come to the info desk, like I've said, or come to the live workshop. Once you do this, then you'll want to go and create project. You'll want to go to your profile or portfolio. You can kind of do that by clicking your profile in the top right-hand corner, or you can see this update your profile or portfolio green button here once you register. Either works. Once you're here, you'll want to click on this add a new project green button where the red arrow is pointing. That's going to be where you add your project that you've done for this hackathon. A reminder again that it does not need to be completed for you to submit it. Once you click that, you'll see this screen where it asks you if your project is part of a hackathon. Seeing as though you're submitting for HackPSU, you are indeed submitting for a hackathon. So you'll have this yes button selected, and you'll want to scroll down to find HackPSU Fall 2020. You might have to scroll a bit depending on what's going on for this weekend, but you'll want to click that. And once you click that and hit the OK button, you'll come up with this screen. The key part here is that this is where you're going to select which challenges and prizes you want to be considered for. If you don't add any challenges or prizes, you won't be judged for those challenges and prizes. So you'll want to make sure that everything here is squared away before 5 p.m. on Sunday so that you can be judged appropriately. You can edit this at any point in time. If you maybe want to add a new challenge or you want to change up what your project is doing and switch challenges, no problem. We'll go through how to edit your submission and change up what's here in this field. So next, you'll probably want to add some code to your project, write some stuff up. You can then click this back to edit project button if you want, or you could just scroll down and hit save. You could do either of those if you don't have much to add for your project. So once all this is squared away, you did it. Congrats. You submitted their project to HackPSU Fall 2020. Reminder again that you'll want to do this before 5 p.m. on Sunday. Very important to have this completely filled out, edited, and submitted by then. So how do you go back and edit your submission? So first, you'll want to go back to your portfolio, and you'll want to click on the project you submitted. Once you click on that project, you'll see this screen here below that'll go through kind of your inspiration, your project story, and you'll see this green Edit Hackathon Submission button. Once you click on that, you'll see again the same screen that we just went over. Here you'll be able to edit what challenges you submitted, any MLH stuff that you want to add or take away. And again, you'll see this Edit Project button here and that the red arrow is pointing to. If you click that, that'll be where you edit your team members. It'll be where you edit your story, where you add your code, where you submit your demo video. This will be where your project information will be. This is what you're going to want to fill out very thoroughly to make sure that all of us judges, the sponsor judges and the HackPSU organizer judges are able to see everything that you've done over the 48 hours. And once all this is filled out, there is a green button at the bottom. It's a save button. You'll be able to just save it and then you're good to go. Now, again, a reminder that this is due at 5 p.m. on Sunday. And you'll want to make sure that you fill this out really thoroughly so that we can see what you guys have done over the weekend. So that's the end of this kind of demo video. If something gone wrong and you really can't figure it out and everything's breaking, feel free to send an email to team@hackpsu.org. But more preferably, you can come to the info desk on the Discord. You can also feel free to message me on the Discord. My name is Julia. I'm on the tech team. Should be easy to find. If any issues happen here, you're not sure what's going on, you're not sure if your project is actually submitted to the hackathons, feel free to shoot me a message and I can definitely check and let you know. And that's everything for this video. Reminder again that there will be a live version of this workshop. If you have any questions, you can also ask me there. All right, everybody stay safe and enjoy the weekend.